Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently step by step. If you're tired of Facebook or just want to take a break from social media, this guide will help you remove your account safely and completely. Step 1. Open your Facebook app or visit facebook.com on your browser and log in. Step 2. Click on the menu or the down arrow in the top right corner. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Step 4. Under your Facebook information, click Account Ownership and Control. Step 5. Choose Deactivation and Deletion. Step 6. Select Delete Account Permanently, then tap Continue to Account Deletion. Step 7. Finally, click on Delete Account and enter your password to confirm. That's it. Your Facebook account will be deleted after 30 days, and all your data will be gone permanently.